According to recent reports, the recession has not stopped us from splashing out in our quest for physical perfection, as the number of Irish women and men going under the knife continues to rise.
Yep, cosmetic surgery is one of the fastest growing industries in this country, with breast jobs and liposuction the most popular procedures across the country. This morning we're joined by Dr. Patrick Treacy from the Ailesbury Clinic in Dublin, and Amanda Harvey, who's recently had a cosmetic surgery makeover. And of course you're both very welcome to the show.
Morning, guys.
Thanks for coming in, A, to tell us all about it, and B, to tell us about your experiences. Boom time in this industry?
It's amazing, Aidan. I suppose Botox has joined what we call the RPIs. We noticed this phenomenon back after the Wall Street crash. Apparently, Cadbury's Burnful chocolate sold 3 times more during that period than it had before. During the Second World War, people went to films at a rate that we hadn't seen before. We've seen Ireland during the 1980s. The pubs were full, and we now see it with our particular industry. It's interesting that sort of whenever the economy crashes, things that you trade up in, like new cars and that, sort of seem to sort of go to one side, but certainly things that make people feel better seem to boom rather than go away. We certainly have had our best month in both our Dublin and our Cork clinic last month, and it's a really exciting time to be in the industry. There's so many things out there at the moment that didn't exist before. Just within this year alone, we have new forms of liposuction that you use ultrasound to liquefy fat. We have new forms of hair transplant. You don't need surgery, you can just transplant from one side to the other. Breasts can now be sort of done through a little needle instead of requiring breast implants. And as the sort of, I suppose, whole industry changes towards things that are easier, safer, it's been reflected also